And the final step is just to trim all these wires out. Wait, before I do that, I'm going to do one more continuity check across everything, just to be sure. It's a lot easier to retension the wires, or resolder the wires, if you can get the tweezers on them and get tension. If you can't get tension on them, they tend to relax and they get pretty easy to bend in the plane. So then after I cut these wires, ooh, that's a gross one. I think I melted the solder mask. After I cut the wires, I'll come back and very carefully with a toothbrush or something similar like this and some isopropyl alcohol, I will clean all those joints, but I'll be careful not to let the bristles get down into the grid wires, because I can end up damaging those. So here goes trimming quick. Trim those right down nice and low. And then I look forward to testing this.